One morning, a boy named Rohan was getting late for school. He quickly packed his bag, wore his shoes, and rushed out of the house. Just as he reached the gate, he noticed an old man struggling to pick up some scattered vegetables that had fallen on the road. For a second, Rohan thought, I am already late. Let someone else help. But then he paused, came back, and helped the old man gather everything. The old man smiled and said, Thank you, son. That small act delayed Rohan by just 2 minutes. Because of that delay, he missed his usual school bus. Frustrated, he took another route to school. On the way, he saw a small crowd gathered near a crossing. A bicycle had slipped and a little child was crying. People were watching, but no one was stepping forward properly. Rohan didn't think much. He rushed, helped the child stand up, cleaned his wound, and called a nearby shopkeeper for water. A teacher from his school happened to pass by at that exact moment. She saw everything. Later that day, during assembly, the teacher spoke about Rohan's actions in front of the whole school, not to praise him only, but to show others what responsibility looks like. That one moment inspired many students. In the following weeks, small changes were visible. Students helping each other, being more aware, more responsible. Now here's what Rohan didn't know. The child he helped that day belonged to a family that was going through a very tough time. That small act of kindness stayed in that child's mind. Years later, that small child grew up with a strong sense of helping others and eventually started a small initiative to support injured people on roads. All of this started from a 2 minutes decision at a gate. Conclusion: this is called butterfly effect. Rohan didn't plan to change anything big. He just helped one person at the right moment. But that small choice kept creating bigger changes. First in his day, then in his school, and even in someone's future. Now think about a butterfly. A butterfly is very small. When it flaps its wings, it feels like nothing important is happening. But in science, there is an idea that even such a tiny movement can slowly influence air, then wind, and eventually contributes to a much bigger changes like a storm somewhere far away. In the same way, Rohan's small action, just helping an old man for 2 minutes, was like that butterfly's wing flap. It looked small, almost unimportant, but it changed his timing, his route, his actions, and then it influenced many other people step by step. That chain reaction is called the butterfly effect. Final line, very impactful. You don't need to be powerful to create impact. Sometimes even a small wing flap in your life can change someone's entire world. Thank you.